We have the new Porcupine, but there's something special about this Porcupine. It's rocking a different sauce, and you'll see exactly what I mean here in a moment. By the way, for reference, let's recap a little bit. The OG Porcupine came with an opening hole. It became really quick one of the most recommendable budget knives from Vosteed because for, again, not a lot of money, you're getting a button-operated liner lock. So it's a very nice and very robust, strong locking system. Definitely much stronger than a plunge lock, button lock. The ergos are absolutely amazing, right? The flat grind, multiple jimping zones, really nice handle scales on micarta with a reversible deep pocket carry clip. I mean, absolutely amazing sauce. So at some point, I'm sure a lot of people were asking for a thumb stud version of the Porcupine, and Vosteed was like, I bet. And so they made, ladies and gentlemen, a thumb stud version of the good old, very popular Porcupine that we all know and love. So this particular one has the green micarta with the gold accents. Kind of reminds me of my variant of their Acorn that I also have on green and gold. And again, good old button operated liner lock. Absolutely amazing action on ball bearings, but we can now check this out. Thumb deploy this bad boy right here. Reverse flick, oh yeah, thumb deploy all day, every day. Now you're still getting that 14C 28N steel blade. This particular one has a stone wash finish on the blade. This one has sort of like a coat to it here on the sort of black end. I think some brands called it rose gold. It's more of like a brown to me. And by the way, here's the OG one in the channel. I just found it here. Had to look for it for a second. Blue micarta with a satin finish. I absolutely love the Porcupine so much. It has become one of my most recommendable knives of all times. People ask me all the time, even outside of YouTube, Miguel, what knife can I pick up that's going to be solid for not a ton of money? I'm like, listen, this one is up there. You know, the Civivi Vision FG is up there. So it really depends what their budget is. If they have a lower budget, right, I may recommend a different brand like CJRB with their Pyrite Light or what have you. But man, this is an absolutely no-brainer of a knife. And if you don't like holes as much, or maybe you do, you already own the Porcupine with the hole, and you want to check out what the thumb stud version is all about, well, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. And I'm happy to report that it absolutely feels just as good as the whole version, right? But of course, with good old thumb studs. Now, let me know in the comments, are you more of a thumb stud deployment type of person? Do you prefer an opening hole, right, over thumb studs, right? What's more your preference? But look at this, the dimensions are pretty much the same, right? I can get at the grip here pretty much the exact same way. We do have all the jimping going on the liners throughout. The design is pretty much on point with the, you know, OG version here. So the only thing really changing is two things, right? Obviously the opening hole, and then I'm also noticing the flat grind gets pushed all the way to back here. Maybe it's a little bit easier to see on the satin version. So the flat grind goes all the way to back here. Your plunge grind is about right there. So you'll be able to get plenty of sharp ends out of this guy here without any concerns. I did notice it's a little bit more visible here on the thumb stud version. Still at a good spot. So your plunge grind is right there. And that's when the blade kind of gets a little bit thicker here. Still, again, at a good place, you'll get plenty of sharp ends out of this knife for a long, long time to come. And that's not going to be an issue. There we go. Probably should have zoomed in 5x, you know, like 30 seconds ago. But you get the idea. That's about really the only thing. And maybe if I could, I'll do this. I'll put them side by side like this so you can maybe see what I'm talking about, if that makes any sense to you. But other than that, again, everything else is pretty much the same. Thumb stud on that one, opening hole on this one. It's more for, you know, kind of giving you options, right? It's already a very popular knife from Vosteed, so they just wanted to go out of their way to give you what the people want. So I was talking to Vosteed, and they were telling me that the reason why they made this knife is because people were asking for a thumb stud version of the Porcupine, right? And so they deliver. So that's absolutely commendable. So I give Vosteed kudos for that. By the way, this is a quick size comparison, MSI from Microtech, and the stitch right there. Right, obviously those are going to be much larger knives, no doubt. And just so you know, the Porcupine and the Corgi, right, regular full-size Corgi, are pretty much on par size-wise. So check that out. You do maybe get a little bit more cutting path on the Corgi because you don't have the nice finger choil you get on the Porcupine, but you still have plenty of handle. So that's maybe the only thing to keep in mind there, right, between those two. I mean, obviously it does feel like a whole different knife, and it does have a whole different locking mechanism. But yeah, PM2 here and Para 3. Yeah, giving good kudos to Vosteed for listening to what the people want and delivering, right? Another company would have been like, oh, you know what? It would have been nice to have. Too bad. We already made it the way it is. Deal with it. Take it. That's all you get. But instead, they're like, you know what? If that's what they want, and they're going to vote with their dollars, like buying the product, then yes, doesn't make any sense not to make what the people want. So that's Vosteed in a nutshell. Demko AD 20.5 and the Kunwu Chad here is a little bit longer. The AD 20.5 does line up pretty well with those two. So again, rapid fire, these are all linked down below if you guys want to check out prices, availability, and variants. And I do have content on all these nice here on the channel if you guys want to learn more.